Hi guys, my name is Evelyn. I'm one of the researchers.
Hi everyone, I'm Lara Ramirez. We are going to discuss our project proposal that is implementing the Empowered NORSU app application for easy access and betterness of Negros Oriental State University. Mobile apps for educational institutions have done a great things for the students, making the learning process fun and easy. Also, the various app features boost engagement through knowledge-oriented activities. In this era of innovation, a lot of things are getting evolved and so is education. A mobile phone can make a lot of your tasks easy for you and saves a lot of time. Visiting the library and selecting books, data collection is no more a challenge. Having a very own school application will make the school more productive and efficient. Educational mobile applications are accessible anywhere and anytime. It is not time-bound. Study when you feel to study is the concept it follows. Students save a lot of time through educational apps. Getting references, class notes is easy to download and saves time. Features like instant updates, portability, unlimited learning, and etc. Today, the first place you go for news and information is your phone, and so do your parents, students, faculty, and staff in the NORSU. Empowered NORSU app puts the school or district's event calendars, news, and information at their fingertips. In these changing times, students are more driven towards using a mobile phone for every purpose. A smartphone, they call it. The world is at the fingertips and the student can get access to any information from anywhere. This reduces the chance of visiting a library and searching for the data. A mobile phone, hence, can be used for a number of such purposes. What makes the information easily available as mobile application? Every mobile app has a unique feature which offer of its own set of services. So, here are the 5 advantages of using Empowered NORSU app. First is new learning methods. Second is enhanced parent-teacher communication. Third is ebooks and online study. Fourth is miscellaneous functions.
Statement of the problem. Application software is a type of computer program that performs a specific personal, educational, and business function. Each program is designed to assist the user with a particular process, which may be related to productivity, creativity, and/or communication. Using the application, it can help organize the students, tracking their progress in school, and making it easier for the teachers to communicate with them. Another is to help the students have a free access that can help them have a comfortable student life. So, this study aims to answer the following questions. First, how to develop the Empowered NORSU application. Second, what are the materials used in developing the application? And third, how effective is the application? And last but not the least, what risks will be countered in the process of developing the application? Significance of the study. The result of this study will be beneficial to the Negros Oriental State University, the students, and the teachers. First, NORSU. This study will help monitor the staff, the students, and the teachers in a more organized way. With the help of the app, it will be easy to cover the areas that needs to be fixed and organized. Also, help make the school have an efficient way of processing and managing the school. Second, the students. This study will also be beneficial to the students because nowadays mobile phones are more commonly used in many ways as possible to assist us, especially in times of pandemic. Now we only use mobile phones in and everything to access Facebook, especially when we're bored. And this will be more useful to the students because having the school's own app will help the students have a faster way of communicating, organizing, and acquiring their needs in school. And third, the teachers. This study will be beneficial to them because they can track and monitor the students easily and organize their reading materials or have a test or reportings online. And it will be a faster way to communicate with the student. Scope and limitation of the study. This study aims to develop an app that will help NORSU, the students and the teachers, to achieve a fast, easy, and more secure app for the school to use, especially now in times of pandemic. With the app we will develop, it will help the students with their study, also help them with the communicate with the teachers, and for the teachers to monitor and track the students' progress in class. This study will focus on how the app will be developed and the uses when it is ready for the school to use. The data for these studies will be gathered by using the survey research design, and the people participating in the survey will be the students and the staff and the teachers that goes to work in NORSU. The tools for this survey will be an answer sheet, like an yes or no questions, and a ball pen which will be provided by us.
Next, let's have the definition of terms, words, and case that we use in this proposal. Application development is the process of creating a computer program or a set of programs to perform the different tasks that a business requires. Every app building process follows the same steps: gathering requirements, designing prototype, testing, implementation, and integration. Second is application software, a type of computer program that performs a specific personal, educational, and business function. Third is e-learning or electronic learning, is the broad term that encompasses the various type of electronically delivered learning experiences, which include blended learning, digital learning, distance education, and online learning. Third is e-learning or electronic learning, is the broad term that encompasses the various type of electronically delivered learning experiences, which include blended learning, digital learning, distance education, and online learning. Fourth is empowered access application, a combination of Google Classroom, Facebook, and Food app. It's an application that contains the data of all students and employees in NORSU. Information technology is building communication networks for a company, safeguarding data and information, creating and administering databases, helping employees troubleshoot problems with their computers or mobile devices, or doing a range of other work to ensure the efficiency and security of business information system. Next is mobile applications, also referred to as mobile app or simply as an app, is a computer program or software application designed to run on a mobile device such as phone, tablet, or watch. Next is M-learning or mobile learning, is learning across multiple contexts through social and content interactions using personal electronic devices. A form of distance education, M-learners are use mobile device educational technology at their convenient time. Last is mobile network operator. A mobile network operator, abbreviated as MNO and sometimes also known as carrier service provider, mobile phone operator, or mobile network carrier, is a telecommunications service provider organization that provides wireless voice and data communication for its subscribed mobile users.
Scope and limitation of the study. This study aims to develop an app that will help NORSU, the students and the teachers, to achieve a fast, easy, and more secure app for the school to use, especially now in times of pandemic. With the app we will develop, it will help the students with their study, also help them with the communicate with the teachers, and for the teachers to monitor and track the students' progress in class. This study will focus on how the app will be developed and the uses when it is ready for the school to use. The data for these studies will be gathered by using the survey research design, and the people participating in the survey will be the students and the staff and the teachers that goes to work in NORSU. The tools for this survey will be an answer sheet, like an yes or no questions, and a ball pen, which will be provided by us.
Conceptual framework of the study. The advancement of this era is being high tech, and one thing that we have learned over the course of this evolution is that whatever we want or need can be obtained with just a few clicks of our beloved smart devices. The impressive ways of this app can give or provide to the NORSU community, keeping the students updated and the time that's saved by this application. Effective time management skills can have a positive impact on work and life in general. Even with 110% effort, there will be occasions where you simply cannot get things done within the specified time frame. This is the point where you accept that there are limits to how productively and efficiently you can manage your time.
Review of related literature and studies. Local literature. According to the GSM Association, GSMA, three Philippine telecommunication firms, the Philippine Department of Education, DepEd, and a local-based mobile learning company are launching new educational mobile apps in the Philippines. Smart Communications Education Program Manager Stephanie Velasco Orlino says that the country's mobile network operators are working to provide mobile education services to help the government to reach their goal faster. DepEd currently aims to provide education to at least 1 million Filipino youths in 2014. Foreign Studies. Plaza et al. Studied the peculiarities of mobile learning for elderly people. Mobile phones are a technology that has become part of everyday life. It improves the effectiveness and accessibility of learning. Another research analyzed the scientific, methodological, and educational literature, standards, and programs related to the problem of remote management of the educational process, develop software and academic and organizational support systems for remote management of the educational process. Students are interested in using mobile devices at universities. Using mobile applications in education will give the students constant access to the learning material. And that's all for the review of related literature and studies.
The Empowered Access app is like a combination of Google Classroom, Facebook, and Food app. It's an application that contains the data of all students and employees in NORSU. It will help students to not miss homework, projects, and keep in posted. This mobile application will be beneficial to the instructors, staffs, and students because its purpose is to view their records of absenteeism, tardiness, grades, and etc. As well as this application will be used for the NORSU's updates and also for purchasing books in the library or even the foods in the canteen. This application is inspired with the Facebook app Students and faculties has the freedom to post and express their thoughts. A freedom wall that everyone in the NORSU community can hear your thoughts. There will be page groups too, and everyone in the NORSU has the right to create their own group and can able to join group if someone in the group will accept the request. Students will be notified that there will be coming exams, assignments, projects, announcements, and events. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching!